Today, women outnumber men in law school, but that wasn't the case 40 years ago when Judge Debbie Barnes graduated first in her class. I learned why after putting her husband through law school. The former Sand Springs beauty queen and cheerleader decided to do it too. It's on her mind. Oklahoma Governor Brad Henry appointed Debbie Barnes to the Oklahoma Court of Civil Appeals in 2008.
I really enjoyed the challenge of reviewing people's disputes and the trust that they have in the court system and the rule of law.
She says law intrigued her while in journalism school at OU. The former Sandite queen and Miss Oklahoma teenager fell in love with a boy on the baseball team from Okmulgee. Ron Barnes appears to be Debbie's opposite. She's petite and soft-spoken. He's tall, with a booming voice and larger-than-life demeanor. They've been partners now for more than 50 years.
There were challenges. When we first got married, goodness, we were 20. And I came from the sorority house, and having been in pageants, to kind of the woman of the house, which I had no idea how to cook.
When Ron graduated from OU, he went on to law school. Debbie supported him. Then when he passed the bar and started working, it was her turn. In 1984, she graduated from Oklahoma City University School of Law, first in her class. She was working as a staff attorney for State Supreme Court Justice Ralph Hodges when their son Grayson was born in 1986.
I was a nursing mom. I had a pump back in the file room. I guess I don't think so much about what other people think. I think I care about what I think is important, and our family is important.
Eventually, they wound up back in Tulsa. Debbie was One Oak's first female executive for the legal department and became a VP after about a year. Her young son's Crohn's disease, her own breast cancer battle, the sudden death of her mother, and her father's lung cancer diagnosis all forced her to step away from One Oak. But she says it prepared her for the role she's in now.
Governor Henry said I brought a new brand of diversity, not just female, but all my business corporate experience and private practice.
In more than 50 years, there have only been 6 women to serve on Oklahoma's Court of Civil Appeals. But Judge Barnes is optimistic about the future.
We have a lot of women that are serving at the district court level. So ultimately, they will be making application for appellate positions.
She's received numerous awards and is committed to mentoring other women. Barnes celebrated her 70th birthday. She has 2 grandkids, but she tells me she doesn't plan to slow down or step away from law anytime soon. She's still passionate about it. She's also committed to health, nutrition, and fitness. What's on your mind? Email onhermind@fox23.com.